The question is like this: if 10 to the power of 9 electrons move out of a body to another body every second, how much time is required to get a total charge of 1 coulomb on the other body? So let us know this. What is the given data? The given data is like this. Given data, he is saying per every second 10 to the power of 9 electrons are moving. 10 to the power of 9 electrons. So n number of electrons are this. Per every second. Per every second. Then if it is like that, what we can write? So what is going to be the charge? We know that Q equals to N into E. Q equals N into E. What is the N numbers? This is 10 to the power of 9. What is the one electron charge? 1.6 into 10 to the power of 9 coulomb. Right, this is that. So now what he is saying, per every second, or I can write simply per second, coulomb per second. So what is going to be this? Simply if you write coulomb, charge rate, if you write it, the charge rate is nothing but charge per time. So what is going to be the question here? The question is how much time is taking. ఇక్కడ 2 బాడీస్ ఉన్నాయి, ఒక బాడీ ఇంకొక బాడీ. ఒక బాడీ మీద నుంచి ఒక సెకండ్కి ఇన్ 1 సెకండ్ 10 to the power of 9 number of electrons are moving to another body. What he is saying, if it wants to become 1 coulomb charge, so means what is going to be here? It is the Q equals to 1 coulomb. If you want get it 1 coulomb charge, how much time it takes? If you want get if you want that to become 1 coulomb, Q equals to 1 coulomb. Now simply I will write. So what is the time required? Time equals to charge by, so how much charge it should become? 1 coulomb by what is the charge rate? Charge rate is given here, right? So 1.6 into 10 to the power of, it is minus 19, right? minus 19 into 10 to the power of 9 coulomb per second. Then how much will come? The coulomb gets cancelled, 1 by second, and it is going to become second. 1 by 1.6 into the 10 to the power of minus 19 and 9. So what it is going to be? 10 to the power of 10 seconds it is going to be. So 1 by 1.6, 6.25 into 10 to the power of 10 second. 9 and gets cancelled, it is going to be 0.625. Okay, if it is actually, if you do 1 by 1.6, it is going to be 0.625. If you want to make it 6.25, you are going to get 10 to the power of 9 seconds. So if this is the time, 6.25 into 10 to the power of 9 seconds, how much is that time? It is going to be the time, how much it is. If you want to calculate that, you can calculate in easy, you can think if you want find it in years, what is the time here? That one time divided by, if you want to get it in case of years, in number of years per year, how many days? 365. How many hours per day? 24. How many seconds? 3600. This one, this whatever value you are taking, it is a t value. If you calculate, you are going to get it. So what is that? 6.25 into 10 to the power of 9 seconds divided by this seconds. 365 into 24 into 3600. If you do that, approximately 198 something 96 or something value is going to get in years. Time in years. That means approximately 200 years. imagine 1 coulomb charge means how much it is. It is nothing but the quantity how much, and that approximately take 200 years to get charged. If it transfer 10 to the power of 9 number of electrons per second ఒక్క సెకండ్కి అన్ని ఎలక్ట్రాన్స్ ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ అయినా కూడా అది 1 కూలుమ్ ఛార్జ్ అవ్వాలి, 1 కూలుమ్ ఛార్జ్ అవ్వాలి అవతల బాడీ. లేదా ఇది నెగిటివ్ అవుతుందంటే అది పాజిటివ్, ఏదైనా అవన్నీ ఎలక్ట్రాన్స్ అవతలకి వెళ్ళిపోతుందంటే ఇక్కడ ప్రోటాన్స్ ఉంటాయి, అంటే ఇది పాజిటివ్లీ ఛార్జ్ అవుతుంది, అదేమో నెగిటివ్లీ ఛార్జ్ అవుతుంది. సో 1 కూలుమ్ ఛార్జ్ అవ్వటానికి ఇది తీసుకునే టైం ఎంత? 200 years. So it's a very 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 big quantity. That's why the charge 1 coulomb is a very big unit. That's why micro coulomb and milli coulomb and nano coulombs like that quantity also going to be considered. Thank you.